Hi everyone, my name is Erin Godwin. Thank you so much for inviting me to share with you today. I represent the Newtown School District, which is comprised of 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school. We currently employ 489 full-time teachers and serve approximately 7,400 students, 45% of whom are considered economically disadvantaged. We've created a technology plan that we believe will enable all learners to achieve or exceed grade appropriate levels of 21st century skills, as well as gaining technological proficiency, which align with the college and career readiness standards. To do so, we are proposing equal one-to-one accessibility for all students in the form of iPads and Chromebook integration in the classroom. Our outcome is for students to increase problem solving, communication, collaboration, technological proficiency, and critical thinking. There are 3 goals that must be met in order for this program to run effectively and make a significant impact on student learning. Our first goal is aligned with ISTE standards, which is to establish wireless capability in all schools which meet IEEE standards. These standards must be met in all rooms that may require wireless connectivity. This goal will be evaluated by the district technology director. Clear indicators that this goal has been met include signal strength per room, which we hope will be at 5 bars, reported uptime percentage of 100%, faster upload and download times, and an end user satisfaction of 80% or higher. Our second goal is for students to become comfortable with their specific devices while also adhering to the acceptable use policy designed by their teacher. Evaluation will begin after the first 2 months of implementation with the use of one-to-one iPads for grades K to 2 and one-to-one Chromebooks for grades 3 through 12. They will be enabled to complete classwork assignments, collaborate with peers, research, and also create and share presentations. Our students will gain functional and physical skills related to their device as well as technological fluency. To do so, students will be given time during the school day to explore on their devices in constructive ways while learning how to navigate applications and programs in a safe way. We know that the interconnectedness of our global economy, ecosystem, and political networks require that students learn to communicate, collaborate, and problem solve with people worldwide. With the use of one-to-one devices becomes commonplace in a teacher's curriculum, our students are going to gain exposure to a range of activities that will enhance both their social and academic development while also catering to 21st century learning and preparing them for life beyond the classroom. Finally, our final goal is for students to use technology to enhance connectedness and interconnection while communicating effectively across multiple platforms, whether that be social media, Google Documents, or other platforms that will allow our students to collaborate in the classroom. According to Schiniger, connectedness allows for multiple collaborative partnerships to be formed between stakeholders, and this includes our students, our teachers, and our administrators. Social media will constitute as a safe networking platform designed to help students increase usability and functionality. This will be evaluated by our students' ability to successfully work together collaboratively using devices, as well as their participation in educational learning networks. This entire plan has been designed with the ISTE standards in mind. ISTE first published a set of standards for teachers to use. Among other objectives, the purpose of these standards was to support student learning and creative thinking, design digital age activities, model digital work, and promote and model digital citizenship. There are several connections, as you can see on this diagram, between this plan and the standards as they relate to students, teachers, and administrators. Just at a high level, our initial budget for this plan stands at about $2.6 million and has been broken down for you in regards to the cost for infrastructure and devices needed. You can see on the table in front of you that the total for infrastructure includes routers, cable, hardware and software, labor, and professional development, and the device needs includes iPads, Chromebooks, cloud apps, and support, hardware and training, as well as professional development. If accepted, this infrastructure will begin being installed in our schools in March, and the implementation in the classroom will begin at the start of the spring term after all devices have been secured. Our teachers will need to have received adequate training by then, and our students will need to have been given instruction on technological literacy. The professional development opportunities for IT professionals, administrators, and teachers have been carefully considered, being that the one-to-one implementation in the classroom will present such a drastic change for all stakeholders. In order for this plan to be successful, all educators and administration will be expected to participate in at least one professional development opportunity catered to their area of oversight every 3 months, and IT professionals will be expected to participate in one every year. With ongoing monitoring and support, we are confident that the rollout of one-to-one devices in the classroom will create school environments that allow the students in our district to gain 21st century skills, which will have lasting impacts on their future successes. Thank you so much for letting me share.